A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On the occasion of National Girls' Day, celebrated on 17 February, the District Administration of Khuborjylla, together with the District Office for Education, awarded the band at the Salesian Sane Institute during a large ceremony held at the Multi-Purpose Hall in Bishramganj. The school band, consisting of 25 girls, was praised for winning third prize in the national competition for school bands held in Delhi on 22nd January. The ceremony was organized in order to encourage and motivate girls to excel in everything they do in their lives. Numerous institutional and dignitary personalities from the district administration and the education department were present on the occasion, speaking to those present about the importance of emancipation of girls. During the same function, many other girls from different schools who have distinguished themselves in various sports and cultural events of the state were also rewarded. The 93rd edition of the Sacred Representation of the Passion of Christ, entitled Mysterium, was staged on 17 February at the theatre in the Salesian Seminary WSDTS in Krakow. Actors were the Salesian clerics in Krakow and also young people from the Zemia Boga group. This year, the theme of the performance is to invite all Christians to remember their baptism and to rediscover their relationship with Jesus and with others. Mysterium is interwoven with meetings and relationships. It is a valuable help to live Lent and prepare for Easter. Director and author of the screenplay for 12 years now is an actor from the Bagatella Theatre in Krakow, Mr. Marcin Kuberski. The show will run every Saturday and Sunday of Lent until 23rd March. The young people of the Salesian youth movement prepare for formation as Salesian Missionary Disciples 2024, decimal, with the motto, "I will speak to your heart and you will change the wolves into lambs," from the book of Hosea chapter 2 verses 16 to 22. With an exciting initiative, the various Salesian works of the province of Venezuela have started the decimal process, and that is why the SYM has started formative and preparatory experiences in anticipation of Holy Week. The main objective of the initiative is to promote growth in a major faith, to strengthen the believing community and announce the good news of the gospel. It is expected that more than 1,000 young people nationwide will commit to bringing words of hope, joy and help in many houses, nursing homes, hospitals, orphanages and many other places. The 15 superiors of the Salesian provinces and vice provinces of the Salesian Africa-Madagascar region, with their respective councillors, have been gathered in Kigali from Friday 16 February 2024 for the traditional meeting known as the team visit and animation tool used by the Rector Major and the General Council to verify the ongoing journey in the different Salesian circumscriptions and ensure their convergence and unity. The meeting began with a day of pilgrimage Monday 19 February in Kibeho in southern Rwanda, a significant place where several Marian apparitions took place between 1981 and 1989. It was a good opportunity for all those present to entrust the Salesian African provinces and vice provinces with all their young people to the Virgin Mary. In the territory of Masisi, a few dozen kilometers from Goma, in the east of the Democratic Republic of the Congo, clashes between the regular army and the rebels have intensified in recent days, with a consequent new and massive resumption of exoduses by huge masses of the population for fear of violence. The humanitarian situation is serious and risks worsening further at any moment. While the Salesians continue to do everything possible to help the needy, moving on all the possible fronts, appeals are coming from the civilized world to not pretend they cannot see. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.